Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Rodriguez from Masagirit Channel, a faith healer o Zamatarder. So ngayong hapon na to, tignan natin sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a monthly gabay for the month of March 2025 for the sign of Aquarius. Aquarius, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advice, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanina kayang energy o kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Aquarius ang ating mahagilap. So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang. Hindi lahat makaka-resonate, kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And guys, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And notification bell for more videos update. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel. Lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads away pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal. Siksik liglig nag-uumapang na biyayang manumbalik sa inyo. So let's see guys. What is the messages advice ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Aquarius? So let's see and watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Aquarius ang ating mahagilap? So guys, ito na, tunghayan na natin yan. Angel spirit, please give me information po. Okay, there's an 8 of cups, so something is moving forward. No, may mga bagay dito na unti-unti ka na makakalaya, no, makakawala for the negativities, for toxicities. No, may mga bagay na unti-unti ka makaka-move on or looking forward. And this is something, the Ace of Wands. No, there's something, a new project, new plan. No? Dito papasok mga bagong proyekto, bagong eksena, bagong kaganapan. And there's the Harvest. So something in hidden agenda or hidden enemies. Or there's something in an unexpected moment. No? Excuse me. May mga biglaan dito na magaganap. May mga bagay na hindi mo akalaing magbabago. Kasi may mga bagay na nakatago, no? Let's see. And there is something, the Ace of Pentacles. There's a big shot and big money coming in for you. May malaking finances na papasok sa'yo dito. There's some new opportunities and this is something, a big break, no? Malaking spot to na maaaring magpabago ng eksena mo. And this is something, the Hermit card. Spiritual enlightenment. May mga bagay na unti-unti magliliwanag sa'yo. No? Unti-unting magkakaroon ng clarity, enlightenment. And there is something with a Hermit card, with a spiritual path, no? Talagang naka-line up, no? Na it's a God purpose. And there is something, the King of Pentacles, being ma-practicality, and there's a good sense pagdating sa entrepreneur. Na marunong ka dapat mag-manage ang finances. Now, there's something secure. No? Mag-secure ka din daw sa kung ano man ang meron ka. What is the 8 of Cups? Reference with the Page of Pentacles. Invest wisely. Now, there's something you're looking forward na magkakaroon ka ng mga bagay na alam mo mag-i-invest for you for long term. No, kumbaga itong bagay na to, kumbaga magkakaroon ka ng growth and expansion dito. Kumbaga, titingnan mo na yung mga something na magdadala sa iyo ng pagbabago. And there's just something that's our moment for the Ace of Wands, for a new project, and new plan with the Ace of Wands, but there's just something that's our moment with the major changes. Na malaking pagbabago to na magaganap pagdating sa family mo, pagdating sa buhay mo. There's just something na new home, there's a new home ako nakita. There's just something chaos, may mga bagay parang aalis ka na, no? Sa kung ano man ang sitwasyon mo. Let's see. There's a tower moment for something, a disaster, destructions, no? May mga bagay na sinira ng isang pagkakataon, but this is something, a new ventures, no? Panibagong eksena to, no? It's either a new job, new opportunities, new home, and there's a High Priestess, represented with the King of Swords. Stop the pattern. Putulin mo yung mga bagay na alam mong hindi nag-serve sa'yo. Putulin mo yung mga bagay na alam mong hindi makakatulong sa'yo. The Ace of Pentacles, represent what? And there's a Page of Cups by intuitions. Lagi ka makikinig sa gut feeling mo. Lagi ka makikinig sa inner voice mo. And there's something, a new opportunity coming in for you. The Hermit card, represent with the Knight of Wands. There's something slowly but surely. No? Sinasabi dito, kailangan maging mahinahon ka, wag ka padalos-dalos. There's something, a God purpose. No? What is the King of Pentacles? Reference with the 4 of Wands, a celebration. No? May mga celebration na magaganap dito na magdadala sa'yo ng new beginning. No? Kailangan maging practical ka pagdating sa finances. There's something, especially pagdating sa negosyo, trabaho, hanap buhay mo, kailangan maging practical ka. And kasi iwasan mo yung luho, bisyo, no? O yung walang katuturang bagay na pagkakagastusan. What is the Eight of Cups? The Page of Pentacles. Referencing with the Two of Cups, with a partnership. Meron naman ditong partnership daw, no? There's just something investment for long term. May kakaroon ka ng taong makakasama mo para matagalan. And there's just something, the Ace of Wands, because the Tower moment, referencing with the Eight of Pentacles. Just focus, no? Mag-focus ka sa negosyo, trabaho, hanap buhay mo. Kasi itong bagay na to ang magpapabago ng landasin mo, ng buhay mo, ng pagkatao mo, ng sitwasyon mo. And there's the High Priestess, referencing with the King of Swords, referencing with the Ace of Swords. So this is something, a breakthrough. Magtatagumpay ka, no? Maraming mga taong nakatingin sa'yo, kailangan subaybayan mo, putulin mo yung mga bagay na hindi magsaserve sa'yo, lalo-lalo na yung mga taong hindi magsaserve sa'yo. Yung may mga taong may hidden agenda sa'yo. And there's an Ace of Pentacles, because the Page of Cups, referencing with the Six of Swords, transition, at makakaalis ka na sa situation. Lagi ka mong pakakatandaan na makinig ka sa gut feeling mo. Lagi ka makikinig sa intuitions and inner voice mo. Referencing with the Hermit card, because the Knight of Wands, there's a Four of Cups, by re-evaluate or analyze. So, there's a reconfuse, no? Kumbaga meron dito naguguluhan ka sa situation, kaya kailangan maging mahinahon. No, there's something God will. No, kumbaga may mga red flag or pay attention, kumbaga may mga synchronicities or signs na hihatid sa'yo ng ating angel spirit, kaya kailangan marunong ka makiramdam. The King of Pentacles, because the Four of Pentacles at Four of Wands, referencing with the Two of Wands, choices, no? Piliin mo lang ng tama at wasto ng mga bagay na makakatulong sa'yo. There is something in the outcome, referencing with the Knight of Swords. So, there is a success driven, na may mga bagay na unti-unti ka na magtatagumpay. No? Magiging mabilis tong eksena to. There's a speed. And there's something, the Knight of Wands, no? There's a near to success. Napakalapit mo na, kaya huwag ka padalos-dalos. Huwag ka magmadali, no? Napakalapit mo na. Kumbaga, meron ka ng chance para makalaya at makawala. What is additional messages with an angel spirit? Referenced with a magician. So, see, this is something God will. No, there's something as desires into reality. Yung matagal mo nang minimithi, matagal mo nang kagustuhan or pinapangarap, unti-unti mo nang makukuha. No? Kumbaga napakalapit mo na, konting tiyaga na lang, konting pasensya na lang. No? What is additional messages for finances and career? For finances and career, represent with the Five of Pentacles. Some of you guys, no, nakakaranas ka for financial loss, no? And there's the Four of Swords by intuition. Makinig ka sa gut feeling mo. Masyado ka na stress, no, dahil sa kagastusan, dahil sa mga ang daming nawalang pera, ang daming nagastos na pera. And there's a Three of Cups, no? There's something about sa party, celebration, imiwas ka muna sa mga gano'n na alam mong hindi mo pa kaya. Iwas ka sa mga kagastusan. And this is something daw, Emperor. Be mature enough and being grounded. Kaya kailangan maging mature ka, no, sa mga magiging decision mo. Ganon. Masyado ka kasi napadala with this third party involved, no? What is additional messages? Pagdating tayo sa love life. Pagdating sa love life, there is something, the Three of Wands. This is a waiting for result, waiting for ship. May mga hinihintay ka document, papers, legal matters, no? It's either, kumaga separations, no? Meron ditong annulment. There's something that's set of sort with a sabotage. May sumabotahin sa inyo na para maghiwalay kayo ng eksena. And there's something, the Knight of Pentacles with a security, na maging secure ka pagdating sa finances. Pangalagaan, pangatawanan, kung ano man yung mga bagay na meron ka. For additional messages for health, there is a Seven of Pentacles with a harvest moment. Na mag-harvest ka dyan, and there's a devoted supportive person. May taong sumusuport at gumagabay sa'yo dito. Maging balanse ka at lahat ng mga bagay dito magbibigay sa'yo ng kumbaga kabayaran, no? There's a something consequences. Ibig sabihin about sa health mo, maging ano ka, no? Maging ano ka sa sarili mo, alagaan mo yung sarili mo. Huwag mo masyadong pinipressure yung sarili mo sa mga bagay na alam mong magbibigay stress sa'yo. What is additional messages with the magical fairy messages? What is the magical fairy messages? And your wish is granted. See? I told you, there's a wish coming true. So, sinasabi ko sa'yo dito na matutupad talaga yung mga pangarap mo. No, yung hiniling mo, pinagdasal mo, matutupad talaga. And there's a practice. Enhance your ability and polish your skills. No, kailangan mong, kumbaga, magpraktisan, or kailangan mong sanayin yung sarili mo sa mga bagay na alam mong hindi mo na kasanayan. or hindi mo nakagawian. So, kailangan open ka for a new experiences, for a new knowledge, no? Hindi mo dapat kino-close yung sarili mo sa mga ganung chapter. So, kailangan open ka for new possibilities. Additional messages for synchronicities. Represent a rebel. Meron dito magre-rebelde, meron ditong gagawa ng paraan para sirain ka, para gumawa ng hindi maganda. And there's a protecting your love. No, kailangan protection mo yung pag-ibig mo. And there's something brother. Oh my God. Ibig sabihin, it's either kapatid mo tong gumagawa na lalaki, or either kapatid niya lalaki to, or either there's something a brother na maaring gumagawa dito na makaka-apekto sa inyong relasyon. What is additional messages? Or tinuring mong kaibigan, tinuring mong kapatid, no? What is the yin and yang oracle card? Represent for healing. Magkakaroon ka talaga ng healing dito, guys. And there's something empathy with a breakthrough. Magtatagumpay ka. And there's something self-love. Alagaan mo yung sarili mo. No, this is the moment na sarili mo nang iisipin mo. And there's a self-care. Self-love, self-care. See? Alagaan, mahalin. Kung magawala ka ng ibang iisipin kundi sarili mo ngayon. So, let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit for romance angels for a mystic love oracle deck. For a mystic love oracle deck, represent what? Self-esteem. So, kailangan i-boost mo yung confidence mo. Now, there's something insecurities. May mga taong naiingit sa'yo or may mga taong kinaingitan ka. So, yun yung kailangan mong maging balance. And there's something nothing show the true self. Meron ditong maskara. Meron ditong hindi totoo sa sarili niya. Now, meron dito nagpapanggap. There's a third party. Oh, see, there's something third party involved. Diba? Meron dito magaling magtago. What is additional messages with an angel spirit? And there's a violet with a spirituality. No? Liliwanagan, lilinaw sa about sa spiritual. And there's a school for a lesson. Marami kang bagay na dapat matutunan. And there's an awareness and opportunity. At marami opportunities sa papasok pa sa'yo. What is Archangel Michael messages for you? And your inner guidance is real and trustworthy. No, yung mga gabay mo mapagkakatiwalaan naman daw. And a believe and trust. So, kailangan mo maniwala at magtiwala. Diba? So, let's see what is additional messages with our romance angels. And there's a past life relationship. Meron dito kumbaga nangyari sa nakaraang buhay mo. Nangyari na to sa relasyon nyo. Kumbaga, there's something na wag mong hayaan mangyari ulit. No? Let's see what is an angel's answer represent what. And a year from now, no? Ngayong taon na to, there's something changes na mangyayari sa buhay mo. Marunong ka dapat humindi, hindi puro oo, sang-ayon, oo, sige, and choose your direction. Kailangan mo pumili ng bagong direksyon, no? Kailangan mo na magkaroon ng bagong landasin. Kung hindi, ganun-ganun na pa rin ang mangyayari. For chakra messages. And there's a guest, no? And there's something bisita, no? Kumaga mag-ingat ka sa pagtatanggap ng bisita with a guest. And there's a perseverance, no? Kailangan mo magtiyaga, kailangan mong kumaga pag-practicean or kailangan mo enhance yung sarili mo or yung abilities mo para makuha mo yung gusto mo makuha. No, kailangan mo ng consistency sa sarili mo na magtutuloy-tuloy ka sa ginagawa mo at magtiyaga ka sa kung ano man yung mga bagay na ginagawa mo. And there's a confusion. Maraming mga tao sa paligid mo naguguluhin ka. Maraming taong di-discourage ka o di-distract ka. Kumbaga, kailangan magpatuloy ka. There's an enlightenment. Magbibigay liwanag, bibigyan liwanag lahat ng mga kaganapan sa buhay mo. What is additional messages with an angel spirit? And there's a success, no? Magtatagumpay ka. Labanan mo lang yung fear, takot at pangamba. What is Archangel Raphael messages for you? What is Archangel Raphael messages for you? Represent, use your natural healing abilities, no? Gamitin mo yung kakayanan mo para mapagaling ka sa mga karamdaman. So, kailangan mo ng herbs, and of course, fruit and vegetable, makakatulong din sa iyan. No, para maibalik yung immune system or ang iyong lakas, no? And because there's something lost land, no? Soul memories and gift, you done this before. Nangyari nito sa nakaraang buhay mo eh. Kaya mo makasurvive, kaya mo makalaya dito. And this is something I remember. Lagi mong pakakatandaan, there's a soul plan, a fated life, and destiny life. No, lahat ng mga bagay na mangyayari sa'yo ay ayon sa kalooban ng Diyos. May mga bagay lang na kailangan buksan ang mata mo, buksan ang isipan mo, buksan ang puso mo sa mga bagay na nangyayari sa'yo. No, what is the Monsology? Represent what? Take your time to breathe out. So, kailangan mo ng oras para pag-isipan, huminga, and you're very close to achieve your goal. Napakalapit mo na para matupad yung mga pangarap mo. And there's something confident is your key to success, no? Kung magalakas mo ang loob mo, dahil yan ang magdadala sa'yo sa tagumpay. Kailangan alisin mo yung takot at pangamba mo. What is additional messages with an angel spirit? And there's the crystals. Na makakatulong daw ang gemstones and crystal stones for healing energy. No, and there's something you're on the right path. Nasa tamang direksyon ka, hindi ka naliligaw. Na napanood mo tong reading na to, napakinggan mo to, isa-isang paraan na to na kailangan mo mag-pay attention sa lahat na nangyayari sa'yo. Magpatuloy ka at kailangan mo maging maingat, maging mapagmatsyag sa mga tao sa paligid mo. With the energy, represent what? See? There is an ego, pride, ayaw na nasasapawan, ayaw na nauungasan, there's an envy, and there's a deceit. Nakikita mo ang itsura naman kukulam? It's very creepy, guys, no? Grabe. So, let's see what is additional message. Ibig sabihin, may gumagawa talaga sa'yo. And there's something the world. Huwag ka mag-alala, bilog ang mundo. No, there's something turning back to your favor. Babalik pa rin sa'yo ang huling halakhak or maaaring gumanda pa rin ang takbo ng iyong pamumuhay. There's a success coming in for you. So, let's see what is the Jesus-loving quote said. For Jesus-loving quote said, let's see, guys. And there's something, have faith in God. So, kailangan mo maniwala at magtiwala sa ating Panginoon. Diba? Kumbaga, sinasabi dito, magbalik loob ka, lumapit ka sa Kanya, humingi ka ng gabay, humingi ka ng patawad sa kung ano man yung mga bagay na iyong nagawa. What is the angel's number? Represent what? Angel's number represent with an 1001 for spiritual awakening. See, spiritual awakening, minumulat ka sa katotohanan na there's something, a new beginning, and there's a heading the right direction. Na, kumbaga nangyayari to develop your own life or something spiritual na pinapakita sa iyo na may kinalaman talaga about sa religious or something spiritual or faith talaga lahat na nangyari sa buhay mo. And the new phase in religious or spiritual guess, you're going through a spiritual awakening which can feel like in the dark night of the soul. You're on the path of the enlightenment, and this too shall be passed. So see, kumbaga ito yung panahon at pagkakataon para magliwanag sa iyo lahat ng mga bagay na nangyayari sa iyo. Na lahat ng mga bagay na akala mo nasa kadiliman, kaya akala mo wala ng pag-asa, huwag ka mag-alala, lumapit ka sa Kanya. Bibigyan to ng pagkakataon at panahon na para makalaya at makawala ka dyan sa lungkot at mga pinagdadaanan mong sitwasyon. What is additional messages with the messages of life? A messages of life represent what? Truth. No? Dito ipapakita lahat ng katotohanan, lahat ng mga bagay na dapat mong malaman. Today, I discover my greatest truth is within me. It is a divine force that whispers from my inner self. I listen to the voice closely, putting aside my controlling mind. In this way, I find all the answer I am looking for. I am now in a harmony with myself, and I welcome the love of God, which is the truth that will guide me towards my fullest, most shining radiance. So see, kumbaga lahat ng katotohanan ibabahagi sa iyo, lahat ng mga bagay na nakatago at lahat ng mga bagay na dapat mong maunawaan at dapat mong malaman, ito na, hinahain na mismo sa harapan mo. So guys, this is a monthly gabay for the month of March 2025 for the sign of Aquarius. So Aquarius, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a reading namang hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and notification bell for more videos updated. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalong-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads, away pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal. Siksik lig na gumapaw ng biyayang mano, balik sa inyo at maraming salamat and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!